guys, it's Logan from Coaster Kids, and this is day 2 of Europa Park. We just had an awesome tour at the Mack Ride's factory. It was very interesting, so we're excited to have a fun day at Europa Park. You guys probably already know what's going to happen, so let's go. Oh my gosh, the food here looks amazing. Like, all this stuff.
Salads look good.
Well, Leonardo da Vinci is talking to us right now. I really wish I could understand Italian.
Sich so wie ein Vogel durch die Luft.
We are on this pedal ride thingy. I don't know what it's called, but
It's like Leonardo da Vinci thing.
yeah, I
And it
guess
has
so.
buttons that don't hurt.
Well, we got stuck on this thing, and there's really nowhere to go at this point. Like, even if I try to move the pedal, it doesn't move. Yeah.
Logan, we could just jump into this fountain down here.
Oh yeah, it's only like 150. Wait, let's stop moving and see if we stop.
Look who it is.
Hey.
We're not moving.
Maximum overdrive.
Just start it.
Fail!
No, not that. Oh.
It's gonna be a great victory moment when you get it.
Victory Royale!
Oh, yeah. I'm done. I'm done.
Oh. You got it!
Voila!
We're riding Silver Star again because I didn't really like it last time.
So we're riding farther back. You guys said ride the back's better? Got a station weight?
We just rode Silver Star again 2 times in the back, and it was way better than the first time I rode it. And we're back with these guys again, and they must have a pretty hard job standing here all day. Turns out this is where the fire was, right here.
I got it kind of blocked off.
Duale Africa. Sorry from Africa. Africa. Yeah.
I guess it's like Jungle Cruise or something. It had like a Pirates of the Caribbean ride that burned down, but like so many Disney life rides. No.
Alright, that is actually the end of our Europa Park trip, the end of our second day, and today was super fun. Got some better experiences on some of the roller coasters, like a better experience on Silver Star and Woodun. And I can understand why people say this is their favorite park. Like, even my dad says this is his favorite park. Like, the theming is phenomenal. Like, nowhere near as good coasters as Cedar Point, but I thought it was still very good, and I think it is worth coming here, whether you're in Europe. So, have an amazing day, guys, and be brave and ride on.